Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X5 xDrive40i in frozen pure gray. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW X5 xDrive40i in frozen pure gray. I've just pressed unlock on the key, so we've just seen the kidney grille light up, the headlight welcoming animation, and now we've got the full low beam system on, which looks awesome. So let me just do a lap all the way around this vehicle. We're kind of in the corner of the showroom here. Frozen paint really shows off the lines. So now that we've done this full lap, let's take a closer look at all the details. So we have individual frozen pure gray. This is a matte finish paint is what we mean by frozen. And you can see it is really showing off all the body lines on the hood really nicely, as the frozen paints do. And you can see these lines coming lengthwise down the hood. Man, the frozen paint looks crazy. We have BMW Rondell up front and center. One-piece matte black kidney grille with the vertical slats, also illuminates. And down here you have some functional air. These grille shutters are actually active, so they will open as they need to breathe. And you can see that the illumination is at the top, so the light cascades down onto the kidney grille. We have the radar puck down here. Some functional air ducts going into the brake ducts, oil cooler, and intercoolers. Overall, front end looks really great. And of course, let's get those headlights back on. So we've got the double chevrons. And if we take a closer look at these headlights, you'll see these are the Shadowline BMW LED headlights. It just means that the inner housing is all blacked out. Looks more sportier that way, and the headlights themselves have all these little intricate patterns and triangle shapes, which look really nice. So when we come to the side here, you'll see that we have the 22-inch double spoke 742M wheels in jet black with the blue M Sport brake back there. And you can see all the nice body lines cutting through here up into the rear door handle. Another one that cuts out from this element on the fender and through the doors. Now we also have a welcome light carpet that illuminates from the rocker panel. So I think it's just light and dark enough that we can actually see it. We also have a body colored side mirror in frozen pure gray with the integrated turn signal. Up top you'll see that we have the panoramic sunroof with the black roof rails. And if I take a step back, side profile view is pure sports activity vehicle design. You see we also have the black window surrounds, Hofmeister kink, and the rear windows are privacy glass from factory. There's your rear 22-inch 742M wheel with the blue M Sport brake there. Up top we have the new style antenna, spoiler, rear wiper arm, and if I press unlock while we're at the back here, you'll see the X-shaped tail lights illuminate. We've also got more of those triangular patterns, and BMW is illuminated on the side here as well. We've got the horizontal reflectors, the rear diffuser down here, and you can see we've got the freeform exhaust on each side. And since I've got the key with me, I'm just going to kick my foot underneath the middle of the vehicle so we can have the tailgate open up the hands-free way. We have some carpeted mats in here, cargo cover, button here to release the cargo cover. Once the cargo cover comes out, there's a space down here in which it can be stored. Optional spare tire, wheel lock key and tow hook can go here. And we also have 12-volt plug, grocery bag hanger, another grocery bag hanger here. And if I lift this panel up, there's a storage space down here. I don't see a tire inflator kit, so that means that we've got run flat tires on the vehicle right now. There's also a button that raises or lowers just the lower tailgate portion. And up top, button to close, another one to close and lock. But I can certainly kick to have all of this closed all at once. Beauty. Now if I come around to the passenger side, fuel cap doors over here. It is connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot to put this while you're refueling. And when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click. Now if I open the rear door, you'll see that we have inside some nice stitching going across the top of the door panel. You've got your door pull, window switch, more stitching. Got some ambient light here in purple, carbon fiber interior trim. There's a speaker here, some pockets down here, illuminating aluminum M door sill. These are the Black Sensafin interior Decor seats. There's a release lever to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. Headrest can flip up or down on two outer positions. We also have an armrest in the center here with some cup holders and a storage space. And up top here, you'll see that we've got some reading lights. We also have some handles and a coat hanger on each side. And down here, you'll see that we have some pockets on the back of each front seat. We also have some vents, storage space back here, two USB Type-C charging ports, a 12-volt plug. These are the optional winter mats, and you can see it's illuminated, and there's some ventilation down there as well. So let's shut this door, and we'll go to the next door at the front. All right, so if we approach from the front passenger door, open that up. Again, we've got some stitching going across the top of the door panel, door pull, unlock, lock, window switch, ambient light, carbon fiber, speaker, big deep door pocket, aluminum M door sill with the illuminating M there, full power seat with lumbar, manual under the thigh, headrest forwards backwards is manual, but power for height, just like that. And over here we've got some stitching on the dash, carbon fiber interior trim, X5 interaction light bar, vent closed, vent open, direct where the air is blowing, illuminated glove box down here. We also have the curved display with iDrive 8.5, and the stitching goes all the way around behind the curved display. More vent controls here, ambient light, knee pad. Open this up, and we got a wireless charger, USB-A, cup holders, 12-volt plug. And here we have your iDrive controller, gear selector, push start button. And this side, if I press this, this opens up in a split with a USB Type-C charging port in there. So let's shut all of this, and we'll go over to the driver's side next. All right, so if I approach from the driver door, open that up, you'll see that we have some memory buttons here, tailgate release, side mirrors, window controls, unlock, lock. Down here, some big pockets, and again, the carbon fiber trim with the ambient light. Door panel looks great. Aluminum M door sill. We have full power seat with lumbar and side bolster on the driver chair. Large panoramic sunroof opening. And over here, you'll see that we've got steering wheel, M at 6 o'clock. We also have paddle shifters, cruise control stuff here, audio stuff over there. And up top, we've got SOS for roadside assistance, your reading lights. There's your rear view mirror. We've also got the visor that can come down. When you open this, light turns on. And if we take a look down here, you'll see that we have the front winter mats. There's some pedals down here, a storage space here, and down here's your hood release. It's 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything under the hood. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline-6 twin power turbo, 375 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque. Positive battery terminal is just underneath this cap. Negative battery terminal is this metal post here. Washer fluid is here. We've also got the 4 strut bars underneath here for rigidity. So that looks great. And we've got the 2 latches under the hood, so it just means they both have to latch at the same time. So if I bring the hood about halfway, you literally just have to center down. Beautiful. Alright, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around, and we can try and get some longer range camera angles. The frozen paint definitely looks amazing. And guess what? This car is available right now. So if you want to be Mr. Frozen X5 or Miss Frozen X5, this one can be yours. Look at that. So how do you like the 2026 X5 xDrive40i in frozen pure gray? Let me know in the comments below. Let's do a little cold start. 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. And let's shut it off. 1, 2, 3 again. So once it shuts off, the car will probably need to breathe. And no. I thought the active grille shutters would open. I don't think I had it long enough on so it would need the air. But how did you like that remote engine start, cold start? Alright everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X5 xDrive40i in frozen pure gray with the Black Sensafin interior decor. How do you like it? If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.